Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again, welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and best way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have studied how you can solve the pair of linear equation with two variable using graphical method. Students, in our today video lessons, we are going to study how you can solve the pair of linear equation with two variable using substitution method. Students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon of your channel. Okay students, let us move over here. Here you can see that we have considered 4 questions for the practice. Students, in all my video lessons, I will try and I have tried to solve the maximum number of questions, because the maximum number of questions you will write in your notebook and you should have to keep it in practicing, because we know that practice makes a man perfect. If you want to get the mastery over the mathematics, you will have to practicing again and again. Without practice, you can't do anything. Either you are conducting the lectures of any experts, you are not able to do anything until you will not practice the mathematics. So students, my suggestion is to be what? You will have to keep it practicing again and again to get the mastery over the mathematics. Okay students, let us start over here. The first question is what? 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So students, first of all, considering 2x minus y is equal to 5, consider this is equation 1. Similarly, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Okay students, now the next step is what? You will have to formulate x or y from equation 2. Either you can formulate x or y. Okay, just formulating x over here. So we are getting 3x is equal to 11 minus 2y. So the value of x will be 11 minus 2y by 3. This is what? Equation number 3. Okay, now value of x, otherwise you can write over here equation 3 putting in equation 1, right? This equation you will have to put in equation 1. It means the value of x you will have to put over here. So 2, the value of x is what? 11 minus 2y by 3 minus y is equal to 5. Okay, now multiplying 2 by using distribution beauty property. 2 into 11, 22. 2 into 2, 4y by 3 minus y by 1 is equal to 5. Right students? Now simple calculation over here. 1 is to be multiplied by whole this term. So what you are getting? 22 minus 4y, 3 into y. So minus 3y. Divide by 3 is equal to 5. Okay students, now here you can see that 22 minus 4y minus 3y, so you are getting what? 7y. It will be crossed over here. So 3 into 5, 15. Okay students, now minus 7y, this is a variable and this is a constant term, and 15 is constant term, so constant terms will be together. So what we are getting? Minus 7y is equal to 15 minus 22. Okay, so minus 7y is equal to 15 minus 22 means minus 7. So the value of y will be what? Minus 7 divided by minus 7. So the value of y is what? 1. Now you will have to put in 3. You will have to put in result number 3. So what is result 3? X is equal to 11 minus 2. The value of y is 1 and over here 3. So 11 minus 2 by 3. So the value of x is what? 9 by 3. These will be cancelled out. So we are getting 3. Okay students, now you can write the solution set x comma y. The value of x is what? 3 and the value of y is what? 1. Okay students, this is a simple process through which you can find out the solutions of pair of linear equation with two variable. Okay. Now moving to the second question. X plus y is equal to 7. This is equation 1. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. Okay students, what you have to do? Just formulate either x or y. So 3y is to be moved over here. So 2x is equal to 11 plus 3y. So we can formulate x. So x will be what? 11 plus 3y by 2. This is result number 3. Okay students. So equation 3 putting in 1. Same process you will have to do. 3 putting, you can write over here equation 3 putting in 1. So what is 1 over here? What is the value of x? You can see that the value of x is 11 plus 3y by 2. Y over here is equal to 7. Okay students, now we can do the cross multiplication over here. So 11 plus 3y, 2 into y, 2y by 2, 7 by 1. So 11, 3y plus 2y, 5y. It goes to the right side if both the things are equal. So 7 into 2. So 11 plus 5y is equal to 14. So 5y is equal to 14 minus 11. So y is equal to 5y is equal to 3. So the value of y is equal to 3 by 5. Now this value you will have to putting in equation number 3. So what is equation 3? X is equal to 11 plus 3. The value of y is what? 3 by 5 by 2. Okay. Now you can simplify these things. So 11, 3 3s are 9 by 5 by 2. Okay students. So 5 into 11, 55. There will be 9. It comes to the denominator. 5 into 2. So here we are getting 64. 5 into 2. These will be cancelled out. 32. So 32 by 5. So the value of x is 32 by 5. Okay. Now moving to the question number 3. The question number 3 is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Consider this is equation number what? 1. And x minus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, from here formulating x, so x will be y minus 1. Equation number 3. Okay, so equation 3 putting in 1. Where? Putting in 1. So here you can see that 3x, you will have to put x over here. So value of x is y minus 1 minus 5y is equal to minus 1. So 3y minus 3 minus 5y is minus 1. here you can see that plus 3y and minus 5y. So minus 3 plus 3y minus 5y, so minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So the value of minus 2y is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So minus 2y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 by minus 2. So y is equal to minus 1. Now putting in equation number 3. Putting in 3. Where you will have to putting in 3. So equation 3 is what? X is equal to y minus 1. So value of y is minus 1 and minus over here. So the value of x is minus 2. Okay, you can write the pair of order pair. You can write x comma y. The value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is minus 1. Okay students, now moving to the final questions of today video lessons. Question number 4 you will have to solve by this process. Just you will have to check it out, all these things are consistent or not. Okay, whenever you are solving graphical method, substitution method or any other method, you will have to just check it out that those pair of linear equations are consistent or not. Students, I have selected these 4 questions which are consistent, but whenever you are conducting any exam, just you are solving any questions, you will have to check those pair of linear equations are consistent or not. Already you know that how you can check the consistency of pair of linear equations. If you don't know, just go through the link which are given in the description box. You can see that how you can solve the how you can check the consistency of pair of linear equation. Okay students, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. And 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Okay, now formulating x from here. So 3x is equal to 5 minus 4y. So the value of x will be what? 5 minus 4y by 3. This is result number 3. Okay, equation 3 putting in 1. Where you will have to putting in 1. Okay, so the value of x you will have to put over here. So 2, the value of x is 5 minus 4y by 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8y by 3 plus 3y by 1 you can write is equal to 9. Now you can cross over here 1 into all these terms. 10 minus 8y plus 3 into 3 9y divide by 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so 10 minus 8 plus 9, so we are getting plus 1y. 3 into 9 27. So the value of y will be what? 27 minus 10. Y is equal to 17. Now the value of y is 17, putting in equation 3. Putting in 3. So where is 3? X is equal to 5 minus 4 into 17 by 3. Okay, so 5 minus 17 4 68 by 3. So 68 minus 5, 63 by 3. These can be cancelled out. So 2 and 1. So the value of x is 21. So you can write the order pair x and y. The value of x is 21 and the value of y is 17. Okay students, these are the basic method through which you can solve the pair of linear equation with 2 variables. For more, okay students, here we are completing today video lessons. For more video lessons of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sarji Maths. Thank you so much.